everyone, this is Aki, and we want to go in detail about the different options of filing your taxes. This is option 1. This is an option when you want to file it yourself and use the IRS Free File option. And the IRS Free File, that's basically a software that's developed for the IRS, and it's IRS approved, and it's free to use for taxpayer, but you do have to qualify for it. So there are pros and cons of using this option. And for 2021, they have 8 different software that are available. So pros are obvious. That's free, and there's no products being sold. Your AGI should be under 73,000, but if it's over that, there are options for free fillable forms, which is pretty much electronic PDF. So that ones you have to kind of know what you're doing if you're using it, and so that's one of the cons if you do have to use the fillable forms, because some of the basic calculations done for you, but more complex one you have to do it yourself. However, it is a great option for people who do use paper and do the taxes themselves. So that's something to consider. Now the cons are, like I mentioned, the AGI can be more than 73,000 for the whole household for any filing status. Not many states are included. So that's something to consider, that you will have to pay extra for the state. And some of the software can be outdated and not user-friendly. These are very few big brand companies. So this year actually, H&R Block, TurboTax has decided not to participate. So there are a couple of big companies that are still in the program, are like Tax Act and Tax Slayer, but there's many companies that you probably have never heard of. Now it does take time and skill to figure it out. Some of these programs are new programs, so if you have never done it, it's like with any kind of software, it takes a bit of time to familiarize yourself, and it can be overwhelming. Figure out which software to use, and I'll show you that in another another video. Now, tip is best for simple situation. If you're just a college grad, have one job, this is something definitely you should try to do, and you will feel comfortable year from year and feel familiar, and you can always move to other options once your situation becomes complex or you have no time and so on. So thanks for watching.